Hey, what's up guys, Eddie98 here, and today I'm going to be teaching you the general gist of random world generation. So first things first, I have actually bothered to set these, because we are going to be generating these blocks randomly in a hypothetical world. So, let's go back to our game screen. We're going to set up a random object, rand. And with LibGDX, you always it's better to initialize your objects in here, in the constructor of your screen. So that's what we're always going to do. Rand equals new random. Awesome. Now what we're going to do is, you'll notice that I've removed all the other code. So what we're going to do now is we're going to do a for loop in I equals O. So we're going to start this from the complete left of the screen until we get to the end of the screen, which is 1920, because our camera ends there. And each time we are going to increase the value of I by 16. Why? Because each texture is 16 by 16, so we want to progress 16 by 16, 16. Hopefully you understand that. So that's for left to right. We're going to do the same for up to down. Rename this to J. You can name these whatever you like, but this is just how people do it. And we're going to 1080 because that's the height of our camera, and we're going to stick to 16. Now we're going to switch rand.nextInt 4. So we're going to randomly generate 4 random numbers. So each time it gets to a point in the map where it needs to generate a new block, it will randomly generate 4 numbers, okay? And it will draw it'll draw a specific block based on its number. So assets dot sprite red, and that's going to be I and J. Okay. So you remember here, numbers start from O. So if we're randomly generating 4 numbers, it goes from O to 3. All right. Awesome. Break case 1, and we're literally just gonna repeat all this. This is quite confusing to get your head around at first. It really doesn't matter what color blocks you put where. You could put the green one first if you wanted to. Fabulous. That's pretty much it. Whoops. I'm just going to run this. And there you go. It is randomly generating, but why does it keep doing it? Now remember in LibGDX, it is a constant loop, so it'll keep going through these. If you want to stop that, there's a kind of a way. So gdx.graphics.set continuous rendering false. What that'll do is it will just do it once, but once it gets input of some sort, so a keyboard press or mouse movement, then it'll keep rendering. So yeah, that is a concern. So yeah, I'd like to stress that this is possibly the worst way to do random generation. It's not more of where I put things that you should be concerned about. It's more this that you should be focused on. This is how people randomly generate stuff, okay? Putting it in the batch and everything, that was awful. But for sake of, showing you guys, this is how you would do it. This for loop is what you should be focused on. Well, these 2 for loops, one within each other, okay? You don't do it outside, you do it within each other, okay? Hopefully you guys did understand the tutorial. If not, you can get by. This tutorial wasn't really that necessary, but if you're looking to do some random generation, you've got a basic idea of how to do that now. So if you enjoyed and learnt something from this video, I'd urge you to like, comment, and definitely subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Have a fantastically brilliant day, guys. Bye bye.